Join me today for some work at the bar. We'll be working in plies and some work with a small ball for legs and arms. This is the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio. The bar for plies in second position. We're gonna releve, plie, drop the heels, press it up. Releve, plie, drop those heels, press it up. Continue here. This is my favorite plie series. Good, lift, plie, drop the heels, push it up. Now plie, pulse. Hold it down in that plie and pulse. Lift one heel while you come down in that plie. Keep pulsing, lift, and switch. Now plie, lift to passe. Plie, lift to passe. Alternating sides. Lift on that toe. Bring the opposite toe up to the knee. Continue on. Plie, lift all the way. Plie, passe. Plie, passe. Plie, right here. We're going to pulse it down in that plie again. Lift left heel, lift, now right, lift, left, and right. Now plie, pulse, hold it down. Plie, and lift right here, releve, plie, drop the heels, press it up, again, releve, plie, drop the heels, press it up, keep going, releve, plie, drop the heels, push it up. Releve, plie, drop the heels, push it up. Plie, pulse, take it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lift the left for 1, and right, and left, and right. Plie, passe, lift up. Plie, passe, plie, passe, plie, passe. Keep going right here. Use those muscles to lift up and out of that plie. Plie, pulse, down, 2, 3, and 4. Single heel, lift the left, lift the right, lift the left, lift the right. Right here, plie, pulse. And up. Plie, and all the way up. Releve, plie. Drop the heels, press it up. One more. Now plie, pulse. Lift the left, lift the right, lift the left, lift the right. Keep it pulsing. Down, lift to passe, plie, lift to passe, down, and lift, down, and lift. Whew, well done. All right, grab the small ball. Meet me at the bar. We're gonna place it behind the right knee. Now bend through that standing leg so you're not locking out the knee, and hinge forward at the waist. We're gonna squeeze the ball right here. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue here. Quick pulse squeezes right here, working those hamstring muscles. We're gonna use that the ball today to work through the legs and through the arms as well. Now lift the right leg and squeeze it back into a fire hydrant. We're gonna lift it up while we maintain a squeeze on that ball and bring back in. Release the ball, place to the right shoulder, press the hand on top, and press down, working your bicep. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick pulses. Keep it going. Work that muscle. Good. Taking that ball, we're going to place it behind the left knee now, squeezing it in there. Bend through the standing leg, hinge forward at the waist, squeeze the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Keep it going right here. Squeeze that ball. Now lift that leg, hold the ball in between the knee, lift to fire hydrant, squeeze back down. Release the ball, bring it up to the left shoulder, palm to the ball, and squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue working that bicep muscle. Take the ball down. We're gonna hold between the two hands, round through the elbows, making sure not to lock the arms out, and squeeze right here, release. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Keep it going right here. Now place the ball in between the knees, come to chair pose, squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now quick pulses. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Nice quick pulses. Make sure the body's nice and tall. Hips underneath the shoulders, knees bent forward, squeezing that ball. Remove the ball right here and hold between the two hands, rounding through the elbows, squeeze. Getting those adductor muscles we've got in the inner thigh, the hamstrings, the biceps. Good, keep squeezing right here. And release. Thank you so much for joining me in the studio at the bar today. If you'd like to do more workouts with me, check out my write-up below for my Patreon classes where you can do full-length bar classes, fully choreographed with me online. All the information you need is below. You can also find Mat Pilates and Springboard Pilates options there. And check out my channel for more bar work, Mat Pilates, and Springboard Pilates. I'll see you guys next time in the studio.